Welcome back to another episode of Project S13. My name is Carlisle, back with another video. Today we're going to be installing a lip for the S13. Right there up in that box, that's basically the new lip and stuff. So if you guys haven't, subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the new lip. Yeah, it's one of them eBay ones. About half of this shit eBay on car. But it's a 3-piece one, and this will go right there in the front. But I'm gonna have to do some modifications on it because I tried to fit it the other day, and these little notches are in the way. So that's why I got the Dremel tool. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. What do you think about it?
What?
What the look?
Oh yeah, I hope it looks good.
Yeah, I hope it actually fits. That's my question.
Yeah. It looks like it'll fit.
Yeah, hopefully. I gotta keep up with this because I remember the last time. You ever seen the bumper off of this car? I think this is real not new, man. Yeah, that's it. Oh, I know what's over there. I kind of fucked up.
What?
There's a screw. There you go. Oh,
ew. So what you think about that?
Shit dirty as hell. I never painted under here. That's like the original color of it. Remember that orange? Alright. So, okay, the reason why it's gonna be kind of difficult, well, not difficult all the way. I mean, if you think about it though, I mean, this lip was not really made for this body kit or anything, so I'm kind of just like rigging shit up at this point. But I'm about to cut some of it right there, kind of make it flush with the kit and stuff. I'm gonna have to do all that. Yeah, so we're just gonna put it together and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I'm about to guess this. Ah, it's so slippery. Alright, so I got the cheapest Dremel tool of all time. Drill Master, of course, from Harbor Freight. So, I mean, I ain't gonna lie, I already broke like 2 discs, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to cut this end piece of the triangle on each sides. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm having fitment issues, I'm seeing gaps and stuff, so we're gonna try to cut this. I'm gonna continue cutting, so yeah. I ain't gonna lie though, I mean, it's just more like, I got it to cut down and stuff. I'm gonna try to focus in real quick. I got it to cut down, but I hope it goes flusher. And this is a little, I ain't gonna lie, don't ever buy that. Please don't buy that. Do not ever buy this. It's alright, it worked. I mean, for like easy shit, but not for this shit. Look at this. It's like, okay, it's alright, but I know I just scuffed it up. I'll clean it up and do all that later. We'll just get this last one cut. Alright y'all, the lip is done. I ain't gonna lie, this shit look nice. I try my best to get even on both sides. Like, I try my best. But anyway, we're finna go put it on the S13 and see how this looks. I ain't gonna lie y'all, it's looking pretty fire right now. What do you think, man?
It's been a struggle.
I ain't gonna lie, it has. Is this right? Kinda.
Alright, so I'm gonna do some.
Alright, y'all. So, yeah, that's it right there with the lip. I ain't gonna lie, this shit look fire though. That actually don't look too bad. Like, as far as like we made it fit and stuff, of course we want to clean it up. It's kind of scratched, but other than that, hell, thank you for our cameraman too, for a woman. So we also got it all set. I mean, I'm surprised. I'm afraid of the speed bumps now, and it's not even lowered yet. So yeah, this looks legit now. All right. Well, gonna do a little cinematic.
Yes.
All right. All right, after an hour of B-roll, I was playing. And it took a while. And then it took a while for the lip too. It literally took us about 3 hours just to fit this up, right, get it all good. I mean, it turned out pretty good. What y'all think about it? Go ahead and comment down there. I know I wasn't talking as much as I usually do this video, but it's cold outside. I had a microphone on the way, but I hope you guys can hear me good enough. But anyway, if you liked this episode, please like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Disclaimer: Hezekiah is a meanie mo beanie.
Man, no, I'm not.
Yes.
I am a me.
Okay, I was doing good, and then he goes talk about something. Nope. You gotta go.
Man, I told you to speed up.
No, but it's okay.
So first time on the B-roll train, so she a photographer. She's trying to learn about video more and stuff. So
Yes.
anyway, yeah, you got anything to say to him?
Remember, y'all, he's a meanie mo beanie.
No, I'm not.
I'm just kidding. He's lovely. I love you.